case for some reason. Okay, what we have here, just a real rudimentary setup right now. Just have the wire screwed to the terminals. I've got a ampage, a 3 amp fuse there that came with the unit to inline there to run on the positive side. We're just going to, this has a pretty loose and old at this point seal around it, so we're just going to run this through the seal for now. This is a portable unit. We're going to be able, we want to move this unit between systems, you know, skiffs and pontoon boats and so forth, and this kayak every now and then. So that's what we're doing. All right, so I have got my wire running on both sides of that. It's going to run up through that crack, plug in the back of the unit. Let me get that all set up and I'll come back. Much better. Now I can, if I'm sitting in the seat looking over, I can have it like that. I can have it up, whatever. I'm not sure. I mean, the sun's probably going to impact this pretty bad. I'm guessing that's a pretty good distance with no sunblock. So having them in the back there is helpful. We're going to just screw these down. Leave it in that angle for now. All right, let's see if the power works. Hey, that sounded good. Look at that. All right, well, we're about to put her in the water. We've got our transducer. I'm not loving the way that's coming off the back of the boat. It's almost straight, it's almost level. It's not level, it's not straight. That really needs a bend in it to work. Like, it needs to come out and come down. Or it needs to come out on an extender. I could build a little triangle maybe. Comes off those 2 holes, it comes out and brings it down straight. Don't know yet. Don't know what I'm going to do about that. Crazy weather. You'll see us going over row after row of get the screen. Here we go. Hopefully you can see that. And then for row after row of oyster trays. Box, like a train of cars, box cars stuck together. You see both on downscan. They're like columns. And then side scan. Kind of like railroad cars. Can't see what we're seeing. Let's see. We zoomed in too far. There we go. That's pretty far. Okay, so now I just went over sideways by accident. Again, you can see them showing up down there pretty clearly. There it is. That's a crab pot. A big orange thing right there. So yeah, sonar is going to hit about now. So confusing. There it is. Is that it? Huh, that's it. It's just delayed. Huh. Showed up on all of them. It should show up for passing the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Dim results. marks on everything. So if we go over top, that's what we get. That looks like a plan.